Hey guys,
Hey
look at over
guys.
there. We are in India. We will reach India very soon. Right now we are still in Bangladesh. We will go India. So do you want to go with us? So let's explore with
If
us.
you want to go, you can watch our video, and
Yes.
by watching video, you will arrive. No problem.
Yes, of
Okay,
course.
so assalamualaikum everyone. As you can see, we have come here. It's a different place, and we are standing next to beside India, right?
Yes.
So right now we are going to talk about this place, how does it look like, and how we have come here, and so that's the thing actually. So right now I'm going to ask Mahmoud that after coming here, what's your feeling?
Yeah, I'm really over the moon after coming this place. And right now, as you can see, look at over there. Here is we are in right now beside India. Okay, so here is a border guard, and they are walking over there. The BSF, they are working here. They are looking for their enemies, right?
Okay, so do you have any afraid
No,
that
I
if,
don't feel
if they
afraid.
will shoot us? So what will
Oh,
happen?
oh no, we are Bangladeshi, so we have a power. So right now we are in our Bangladesh, but we are enjoying from here. But
Yeah.
now we are not in India. Okay, India's look over there. Okay, so we are making video from our country. We have a power to talk about our country, right? So, you know what? If I want to say, if I want to mention here that how look like this area, so I have to say this is really mind blogging place. I really prefer to visit such types of places so that I can remove my tension, as well as when I actually study more. So I saw that actually I'm feeling upset, a little bit upset to study more. So that time I try to travel some places so that I can remove my upset or frustrated, or you can say for removing my tension. Sometimes I try to come these types of places so that I can actually see the natural beauty of Bangladesh, and we have a vision that is gradually we will be exploring all over the country, and we have started from our beside areas, right, from society, from our society, right, and we have been visiting so many places for long times, and it's called Jodishport Tea Garden right now, and we are the last part of Jodishport Tea Garden, and beside this tea garden there is a border guard of India, and here is working BGB and as well as BSF, right? But though we are not actually able to see their face because of it's really a little bit far from here, because right now but we are in Bangladesh, right? Okay, so we need visa for going there, we need passport for going there, but we don't have that much age to actually to make a passport for going there. But I think as we can speak in English, we will be able to going over there within very short time. So first of all, as we are Bangladeshi, we should travel our country so that we can understand how look like Bangladesh, right? There are so many people from other countries, they are also visiting Bangladesh, because this is really a great place for everyone, because in our country there is a beautiful, there is so many beautiful rivers, and the national river's name is Jamuna, right? And the national tree's name is mango, and you know the actually Bangladesh is really actually popular for a tea garden. There are so many tea gardens out there, and this is, you can say, it's also a big tea garden in this area. So I think this is really mind blogging place. So that's all about my opinion. So now we are going to move. Okay.
Okay, so thank you so much, Mahmoud. You has given an incredible speech, and I think you were enjoying by watching this video. So right
Yes.
now, I'm going to Limon that how does it look like the area, and after coming here, what's his feeling, right? So Limon, please.
Okay, at the beginning moment, I'm gonna start by saying I'm a traveling lover, so that's why I love to
Oh,
travel new places, and I'm gonna visit lots of places, especially in our country. And after visiting in our country, if I can finish our natural beautiful places, I will try to go another country to travel. And the at this moment, the circumstance, the landscape is totally incredible. If I'll say in a words, supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. The
oh my
space,
gosh.
the places, and
Okay.
I am very excited. And I'm floating in the clouds after coming here, and I want to travel like this type of place, new place in my future.
Can I
And
break your leg?
no, you don't need to break my leg.
Okay.
Okay, the this place is totally incredible. Like you can see the natural beauty as well as landscape. Over there is India is here over there, and the border guard, they are protecting their country from Bangladesh, because Bangladesh people are so dangerous as well. So they wanna take India from their side. Okay, Bangladesh Express, I think. Okay, and we are coming here for making video as well as traveling, and so there is a things, and I'm gonna ask Sunny. So, what's your feeling after coming here?
Okay, thank you so much. Always when I try to speak English, I try to break the ice, such kind of place where I will try to speak, deliver my speech. Okay, so first of all, after coming here, I'm really excited. But before coming here, I was a little bit tired and confused that where we are going. That okay,
Yes.
but after coming here, I saw and I'm seeing the natural beauty is totally amazing and mind blowing. Actually, by wandering some places and by exploring some places, you will be able to remove your inertia. You will be able to remove your boringness, right? And as you can see, there are so many levels. They are taking some basta okay, and they are going to go to their own destination. Okay, but it doesn't matter, and we have come here. As you can see, our behind side are three cycles, and we have come here by paddling cycle, so it's a very amazing. But as you can see, guys, the two splendid speaker, they are wearing sunglasses, but I don't have any sunglasses. No, right now, no need to okay. Okay, so those who are watching this video, please let me know in the comment box that by wearing this sunglasses, how they are look like. Okay, I think they are look like Shakib Khan, Salman Khan. Okay, yes, like that. Okay, so as you can see, actually we have come here and our surrounded there are so many trees are available, and do you know what is the name of this trees? Actually it's tea trees, and it's too much green, right? Okay, so I don't want to make it longer, but I just want to say one thing, that if you want to visit somewhere, you can visit with your friends, because if you visit alone, it might be anxious for you. Yes, boring for you. You are not able to do something. You are not able, you will be not able to explore yourself. So that's the thing actually, and it might be pouring rain. So as soon as possible, we have to go our home. So thanks for watching this video. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum.